Marshall here from Eck Automotive in Chicago. Now, it's no myth that oil changes are important, but do you know why they're so important? Now you see, oil is the lifeblood of an engine. More important than any other fluid, including gasoline. It's what keeps it going. Now, oil flows through tiny passages inside of the engine that are simply named oil passages. And when it's doing this, what it's doing is creating a barrier between all of the moving parts so that they don't touch each other. Because if they did, they would wear down quickly due to friction. Now, if an engine is starved of oil, which could be caused by either a lack of oil or dirt or ash getting in the oil passages, then it's going to lead to costly repairs. And this can be avoided by changing oil regularly and having a mechanic inspected for leaks or any other problems. Again, my name is Marshall from Eck Automotive in Chicago. Thank you.